Yo, what up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but every single time that I go and ride, I always just have way too much fun, and I tend to forget to record and all that good stuff. So, but anyways, here we are. Um, Took it for a ride, got out of work, ate some food, took it for a ride, and then here we are, the same usual spot. And as you guys know, I like coming here. This is my place of peace, if you know what I mean. I don't know. I like to just hang out here, even if it's all just by myself and my bike. Damn. She looks so good. I haven't washed her, and I also haven't cleaned the chain. So, but yeah, I need to do that ASAP actually. Let me show you guys. I have, let me see, 2,500 miles on it, so I definitely do need to clean the chain. I mean, yeah, she definitely does need some cleaning, bro. Damn, I should not be riding it like this, actually. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I mean, I ordered the thing, the lubricant, the chain cleaner, and all that stuff, but I just haven't gotten it yet. So as soon as I get it, I will take care of that ASAP. I just can't get enough, man. The color, I don't know. I just love it. Yeah, and it's all mine. Oh, I mean, I forgot to tell you guys. I also got a new jacket. Yeah, I don't know. I wish I could show you guys. Maybe you guys can see it in the mirror, kind of. I don't know. But yeah. I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit and then take it for a spin. Time to get out of here. I forgot to tell you guys, I have my MSF course this upcoming Saturday, so wish me luck, guys. I'm not nervous about it or anything like that. Like, I know I'm gonna do good. I just want to get it over with. And then, not to mention, it's from 8 in the morning to like almost 2 or something in the afternoon. So that's gonna be fun. But it is what it is. I have to get it done. So I forgot to tell you guys. Is there anything I should be like worried about, or well, not worry about, but you know. Also, guys, I wanted to ask you guys, do you guys have any tips when it comes to doing the MSF course? Thankfully, I'm only gonna do like the one day, and I also don't have to go to the DMV after I pass that. So also it's pretty cool that I don't have to do that. So, but yeah, I guess just yeah, give me some tips, guys. What should I be looking forward to, or what should I be careful with? Yeah, write it down in the comments. look at the cops. Alright, we're gonna pass by Memorial Park, hit the tunnels, and then just go home after that. So I'm taking you guys with me for a little cruise. Come on, what are they waiting for, bruh? Hopefully it didn't scare the lady walking this way. She probably thought I was gonna run her over or something. That just feels so good, bro. The sound. Hopefully the mic is picking it up.